We're going to use 2 spoonfuls. So, welcome to Quick One Homemade. This is a cooking channel where we explore different cuisine from different culture. Today I'm going to prepare caramel tea, white caramel tea. And first step, we are going to heat our sugar the way we are doing. When it reaches at amber color, we add water. In our ingredients, we have sugar, we have milk, we have water, and we have tea leaves. Yeah? So when it's at this point, we're going to add water. You see the smoke? When the smoke comes out, it has choked me. Ooh! There we go. So at this point, you can add milk, and then we'll add tea leaves. So we wait for it to boil. So before it boils, I'm gonna add in tangawizi for the good taste of tangawizi. A teaspoonful. So let's give it like 5 minutes boil. You can see it's almost boiling. Yeah, it's almost boiling. I want you to see how it comes up. That's why I'm actually here waiting, because tea has that bad manners of when you look aside just a little bit, yeah, it will come up and pour outside. So just here being keen, make sure that it comes out good. There you go. There we go, guys. Our caramel tea is ready. It actually comes up. You see that? You see that? How am I maintaining that? And it's not going down, just maintaining that level. The secret is I've just maintained my heat. Yeah, it's not too high, not too low. Yeah, so that's why you see it just maintaining the momentum. But now it's ready. Woo! So take your sieve and you can just do this. You can take caramel tea with bread, with mandunya, with mandazi, with anything that you so wish. Like it's a snack. You can use it as an escort when you're taking your caramel tea. This is good during hot time, cold time, any weather. It's a good weather tea, so you can take any time, and it's good for treat with cozy evening with your mpenzi. Mweka karibu yako, unamvuta karibu, unamwangalia ndani ya macho, unamwambie. Thank you guys for watching. Check me next. Catch up with me each and every Monday, Wednesday and Friday for food inspirational videos. It has been yours truly and truly, Jayuga. Bye bye. So you can add sugar if you're a sugar person, and if you're not a sugar person, you can start consuming your caramel tea as soon as it's off fire.